Why does your scanner show the P2500 engine code? What does it mean? P2500 is a diagnostic trouble code for generator lamp or L-terminal circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM is detecting a voltage signal from the alternator's L-terminal lamp circuit that is lower than it should be. This can be caused by issues with the alternator, a faulty battery, or problems with the wiring in the charging system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty alternator or generator, faulty battery, wiring issues, blown fuse or fusible link, faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, Nissan, and Chevrolet models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.